Question number 176. What is the maximum zoom percentage in MS Word? A 200%, B 300%, C 400%, D 500%. Correct answer is D 500%. Question number 177. What is the maximum zoom percentage in MS Excel? A 200%, B 300%, C 400%, D 500%. Correct answer is C 400%. Question number 178. What is the maximum zoom percentage in Microsoft PowerPoint? A 200%, B 300%, C 400%, D 500%. Correct answer is C 400%. Question number 179. To arrange the icons on desktop? A. Left-click on the blank area. B. Right-click on the blank area. C. Double-click on the blank area. D. None of the above. Correct answer is B. Right-click on the blank. Question number 180. Which of the following is not a valid zoom percentage in Excel? A 200%, B 300%, C 400%, D 500%. Correct answer is D 500%. Question number 181. Who are the founder of Google? A. Chloe Wojcik and Benji Wojcik. B. Larry Page and Sergey Brin. C. Michael Brin and Eugenia Brin. D. None. Correct answer is B. Larry Page and Sergey Brin. Question number 182. 1 kilobit equal to A. 1 megabyte. B. 1000 byte. C. 1024 byte. D. None of these. Correct answer is C. 1024 byte. Question number 183. Which shortcut key is used for shut down the computer? A. Shift. B. Alt plus F4. C. Control plus F4. D. Control plus Tab. Correct answer is B. Alt plus F4. Question number 184. What is the shortcut key for select all? A. Alt plus A. B. Control plus A. C. Control plus B. D. Alt plus B. Correct answer is B. Control plus A. Question number 185. The first computer network is A. LAN. B. VAN. C. PAN. D. ARPANET. Correct answer is D. ARPANET. Question number 186. ARPANET stands for A. Advanced Research Project Agency Network. B. Advanced Search Project Agency Network. C. Advanced Research Agency Network. D. Advanced Search Project Agent Network. Correct answer is A. Question number 187. What was the name of first computer? A. ENIAC. B. UNIAC. C. Param. D. None of these. Correct answer is A. ENIAC. Question number 188. How many function keys are on a keyboard? A. 4. B. 8. C. 11. D. 12. Correct answer is D. 12. Question number 189. Which language was used to program the second generation's computers? A. Machine language. B. Assembly language. C. Binary coded language. D. None of the above. Correct answer is B. Assembly language. Question number 190. Which language is directly understood by computer without translation program? A. Basic. B. C language. C. Machine language. D. Assembly language. Correct answer is C. Machine language. Question number 191. Binary language is also called A. High-level language. B. Assembly language. C. Machine language. D. All of the above. Correct answer is C. Machine language. Question number 192. Which language is used for artificial intelligence? A. C. B. COBOL, C. Prolog, D. Fortran. Correct answer is C. Prolog. Question number 193. Which of the following is the extension of Notepad? A. Text, B. XLS, C. PPT, D. VMP. Correct answer is A. Text. Question number 194. Portrait and landscape are example of A. Paper size, B. Page layout, C. Page orientation, D. All of the above. Correct answer is C. Page orientation. Question number 195. Which shortcut key is used for paste? A. Ctrl+P, B. Ctrl+T, C. Ctrl+V, D. Ctrl+E. Correct answer is C. Ctrl+V. Question number 196. Which of the following is an example of web browser? A. C++, B. Tally, C. MISWord, D. Internet Explorer. Correct answer is D. Internet Explorer. Question number 197. Which one of the following is applicable to all the computers? A. Basic, B. COBOL, C. Machine language, D. Fortran. Correct answer is C. Machine language. Question number 198. Which one of the following is not a computer language? A. C, B. Fast, C. Basic, D. Fortran. Correct answer is B. Fast. Question number 199. Who was the inventor and founder of www? A. Russell, B. Bill Gates, C. Li Feng, D. Tim Berners-Lee. Correct answer is D. Tim Berners-Lee. Question number 200. Which of the following is a part of system unit? A. CPU, B. CD-ROM, C. Floppy disk, D. Monitor. Correct answer is A. CPU. Question of the day. Which of the following is used for playing games? A. Joystick, B. Pen drive, C. Light drive, D. None of these. Please answer the question in comment section down below.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share our video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit that notification bell icon. For more content, click on above videos.